Aurora Congressman Sonny Angara will push for the strengthening of the education system in the country. Again, George Bandola reports.
Strengthening of the education system. This is what Edgardo Sonny Angara Jr. of Team Pinoy wants to pursue should he gets a seat in the Senate. Sonny will also seek advice from the senior lawmakers.
Marami pa rin tayong issue na pampamilya na pangunahing nakikita ko urgent dyan. Yung edukasyon at saka yung trabaho. Kasi pag may trabaho ka, papagamot mo yung inyong pamilya, napapakain mo. So, yung sa dami ng problema sa lipunan, yun ang dalawang pinaka nakikita ko na pwede nating tulungan ang pamilya Pilipino.
While Sonny lives most of his life in Aurora Province, most of his bills in the Congress enacted into law benefits the whole country, especially the Mindanaoans.
Kahit nung nasa Kamara ho tayo po ang kinatawan ng Aurora Province. Pero yung mga sinulong natin batas, pang buong Republika, meron pa nga tayong Mindanao Railways, meron tayong Mindanao Economic Development Authority. So yung mga sinulong natin, pambansa talaga yung outlook po natin.
Sonny's name is one of the top 12 in the latest SWS pre-election survey. Still, Sonny admits he has to do a lot of work to make more people aware of his campaign.
Humingi po kami ng tulong dahil maganda naman po yung nagawa natin bilang kongresista at palagay natin pag nalagay po tayo sa Senado, mas marami tayong matutulungan in terms of education, dekalidad na edukasyon, mahusay na trabaho. Palagay ko may konting kaalaman at karanasan si Sonny Angara po dyan.
For People's Television, George Bandola.